Are you an aspiring artist seeking to use your creativity through the power of AI? Wondering where to sell your AI-generated art? We've curated a list of platforms that will help you monetize your content and connect with potential buyers. These AI art selling websites act as virtual galleries, offering a stage for you to showcase your unique creations. With secure payment gateways, streamlined logistics, and customer support, these platforms ensure a seamless transaction experience. Whether you choose marketplaces like Etsy, stock photo websites like Wirestock and Shutterstock, or freelancer platforms like Upwork and Fiverr, the AI art world is yours to explore and conquer. First on the list is Saatchi Art, an online marketplace for art. Saatchi welcomes both established and emerging artists, including those who create art using AI. It's a global stage where artists can showcase and sell their unique creations to a diverse audience. Saatchi stands out by curating exceptional artworks and providing AI artists with valuable exposures through exclusive collections and exhibitions. Artists can create enchanting profiles, upload their AI-generated masterpieces, and set their prices, empowering them to take control of their artistic journey. Moreover, Saatchi Art offers personalized advisory services, connecting buyers with tailored recommendations and opening doors for AI sales and commissioned projects. Here are the pros. Saatchi Art employs a team of experts who curate fascinating collections and exhibitions, allowing AI artists to shine and gain recognition. With a vast international following, Saatchi Art expands the horizons for AI artists, introducing their work to potential buyers from around the world. Saatchi Art's dedicated art advisory services ensure that AI artists can connect with buyers specifically interested in AI art, maximizing their chances of making sales and securing commissioned projects. And here are the cons. As Saatchi Art emphasizes art curation, AI artists may face competition to be featured in exclusive collections and exhibitions. However, this drives artists to bring forth their best work and rise above the crowd. To maintain an exceptional standard, Saatchi Art maintains a rigorous art selection process. This may pose challenges for emerging AI artists, but it also encourages growth and helps artists refine their craft. Second on the list is the famous Etsy. It is a trending online marketplace where artists and creators unite to showcase their remarkable AI-generated art alongside handmade and vintage treasures. It's like a bustling artisan community where the focus is on originality and craftsmanship. Here, you'll find a treasure trove of unique AI art prints, digital downloads, and customizable masterpieces. One of the beauties of Etsy is that artists hold the harnesses of their shops, allowing them to grow their brand image and proudly display their AI creations in a way that aligns with their artistic vision. It's akin to curating a gallery where every piece has a story to tell. Etsy fosters meaningful connections between creators and buyers, encouraging direct communication that adds a personal touch to every purchase. It's like having a conversation with the artists themselves, gaining insight into the inspiration behind each creation. The diverse audience on Etsy is a kaleidoscope of art lovers, ensuring that creators gain exposure to a wide range of potential customers. However, it's important to note that Etsy's popularity brings intense competition, demanding effective marketing and differentiation strategies to stand out amidst the crowd. Additionally, creators bear the responsibility of managing shipping and logistics, which can be challenging for those accustomed to a more integrated process. But with a little effort, they can navigate these waters smoothly and deliver their art safely to the eager hands of buyers. While Etsy charges listing and transaction fees, it's a small price to pay for the exposure and opportunities it provides. Are you a photographer or AI creator looking to expand your horizons and capitalize on your talent? Wirestock revolutionizes the way creators share their work with the world. This dynamic platform takes their content to global visual stock marketplaces, maximizing their earnings and expanding their reach. By managing the licensing and distribution process, Wirestock frees up creators to focus solely on their creative efforts, making it the ultimate hub for selling AI art. Here's why Wirestock stands out. With Wirestock, creators can skyrocket their sales by effortlessly distributing their content, including stunning AI-generated images across multiple platforms. Wirestock boasts its own AI image generator, fueled by Stable Diffusion's groundbreaking technology. This powerful tool empowers creators to effortlessly produce top-notch content with awe-inspiring capabilities, making their work truly shine. Say goodbye to everyday tasks. Wirestock streamlines content management and licensing, eliminating the need for creators to waste time on third-party websites. No more writing descriptions or adding keywords. Instead, they can channel all their energy into unleashing their artistic genius. Plus, Wirestock has its image more upscale, further simplifying the process. Wirestock spices things up with creative AI challenges, giving artists the chance to compete with their AI-generated masterpieces and win exciting cash prizes. It's a thrilling way to have fun, earn money, gain exposure, and push artistic boundaries. However, there are a few limitations to keep in mind. Wirestock doesn't allow creators to upload and sell content already available on platforms like FreePick and Unsplash. It encourages originality and exclusivity in the marketplace. Creators cannot post and sell content that's already available for purchase on other paid marketplaces using personal accounts. This ensures fairness and prevents duplication. Saatchi 6 is an exciting online marketplace that empowers AI artists to showcase and sell their incredible creations in the form of art and home decor. With a wide range of products available, including prints, phone cases, and wall tapestries, artists can bring their AI-generated designs to life. Saatchi 6 takes care of the entire production process, from printing to shipping, leaving artists free to focus on their artistic endeavors. Here are the benefits. Saatchi 6 offers a vibrant collection of products where AI artists can unleash their creativity. From breathtaking prints to stylish phone cases, there's something for everyone to enjoy. When it comes to quality, Saatchi 6 leaves no room for compromise. With professional printing and production services, artists can rest assured that their creations will be transformed into stunning, high-quality pieces. Saatchi 6 curates themed collections, providing artists with a chance to shine. Being featured in these collections boosts their visibility, helping them connect with a wider audience who appreciates their unique AI-generated art. However, there are a few considerations to keep in mind. Since Saatchi 6 operates on a print-on-demand model, artists may receive a smaller percentage of the final sale price. While it's a fantastic platform to showcase talent, it's important to be aware of the potential impact on profit margins. Artists have limited control over setting prices for their products. This can affect their ability to determine profit margins. It's essential to consider this aspect before diving into the world of AI art commerce. Zazzle, an online marketplace, is like a bustling bazaar where artists, including AI artists, can unleash their creativity and design a wide array of personalized products. This vibrant platform offers a unique opportunity for AI artists to infuse their imaginative algorithms into a plethora of items, ranging from stylish apparel and trendy home decor to fashionable accessories and charming stationery. Artists can effortlessly upload their AI-generated masterpieces and customize products, allowing customers to acquire unique items tailored to their preferences. Zazzle takes care of the nitty-gritty details, handling the production, printing, and shipping processes, freeing artists to focus solely on crafting exceptional AI art designs. Here are the pros. Zazzle empowers users to embark on an artistic adventure, unlocking a treasure trove of options to create one-of-a-kind designs that truly resonate with their individuality. Picture a vast gallery brimming with an assortment of products ready to be adorned with the splendor of AI-generated images. Zazzle provides artists with an expansive canvas to showcase their digital artworks. With Zazzle, creators can rest assured knowing that their creations will be brought to life with utmost professionalism. From flawless printing to reliable shipping, the platform ensures the highest quality standards. And here are the cons. As a print-on-demand platform, artists may receive a lower percentage of the final sale price. While the exposure and convenience are undeniable, it's important to weigh the financial implications. Artists have limited control over the production process, which may impact the end product's quality and customer satisfaction. While Zazzle strives for excellence, relinquishing some control is an aspect to be mindful of. Discovering the perfect platform to showcase your AI creations and generate earnings depends on your preferences and activity. Whether you're a freelancer seeking remote projects or an artist eager to sell AI designs on merchandise and personalized items, your ideal platform awaits. If you're new to AI content creation, embrace the Wirestock challenges as a fertile ground to experiment with your artistic styles. Draw inspiration from fellow creators and even seize the opportunity to win exciting cash prizes. Unleash your creativity and seize the growing demand for AI visuals. Your artistic journey begins now. If you like this video, you're in a treat with another one to help you navigate the complexities of finance.